So let's get started. Today, I'm going to go over this length of last word problem. So let me try to understand it. Given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. A word is the maximum substring consisting of non-space characters only. So for the example input, the string is hello world and you output 5 because the last word is world, which has a length of 5. So now the input flying me to the moon, and the last word is moon without carrying the space. So we actually ignore the space, and the last word is moon. So it has a length of 4. Yes, that's false. And the example 3, last word is joy boy, so it has a length of 6. So for the understanding part, so the input will have a string and the output would be a length of last word. So the constraint here is that the string only consists of letters and spaces, and it will be at least one word in S. So for the matching stage, I haven't seen this problem before. But it is similar to counting characters, or counting words. And I think we need a for loop to go over. So in this case, backward for will be a better choice because we're looking for the last word, not the first word. So if we start from the back, we can save more time. And yeah, I think that's it. So for the plan, I'm going to, I'm going to create some variable, create a variable output, create an integer. So I will create an integer for the output. And I'm going to create a Boolean called do we need a Boolean? I don't know. So maybe we don't need that. So a backward for loop. So I think we can start with You also start with strip the string so that no space at the end and or at the beginning of the string. And then the backward for loop. So basically I would do is that to check each character, if it is a space, if it's a letter, I'm going to output plus equal to 1. I'm going to update the output. Else, if it is a space, I'm going to return the output. So that's basically what I'm going to do. So I'm going to define a length of last word function, and this is a string. So output, I will set it to 0, and then I'm going to strip the string. So s equals to s dot strip. So start with the backward for loop. So for I in range. So I will start with length of s minus 1, and then to minus 1, and the step is minus 1. And then we could check if it is a lector. So if s of I is a letter, which means it's not a space. So I'm going to output and then else I'm going to return output. So after the for loop, I'm also going to return output. So let's try it. So we can try this. So let's do it right here. Let me create a main function and then create length of last word. Yes. I'm going to run that. It should print out 4. Oh, I forgot to do this. So if name is equal to name, I'm going to run the name. Yeah, it gives me 4. So I think this should be fine. So I'm going to create copy here to deal with the indent. There you go. All right. So that's my solution for this. And time complexity of this solution would be O of n because I have a for loop to a backward for loop that literally will go through every character in the worst case. So that is O of n runtime. And space complexity will be O of 1 because I only use a variable, an output at variable. So, and I think this is pretty straightforward. So that's it. Thank you.